So today we had interprofessional education with our medical students, C21 North students, and the law students in the law school here at Bangor University. We had a workshop to do a coroner's court under the guidance of Kate Robertson, our coroner in North Wales.
I think it was really useful for the medical students and for all the law students as well that were taking part. I think it's definitely something that they'd be grateful to have experience in if they ever do get in the position where they need to be involved in an inquest. And then from a sort of legal perspective as well, I think it was really interesting, and it's something I'm definitely thinking about that is definitely an option in my career in the future. All the participants were great.
I'm Kate Robertson, His Majesty's Senior Coroner for North West Wales. The session this afternoon contained medics and lawyers, so it brought together really the general impact of the coronial service across both of those disciplines. There was wonderful engagement from both sets of students, and I was very pleased to be able to assist with that.